students. Students, today we are going to start new chapter height and distance. So some definition we have to remember. First of all, line of sight. Height and distance, students, by the name you can see we have to calculate the height of the objects and the distance between them. So here we are going to use trigonometry ratio to find the height and distance. So we can say this is a application of trigonometry. Correct? So some definitions we have to remember. First, line of sight. The line drawn from the eye of an observer to a point on the object where the observer is viewing is called the line of sight. In diagram you can see, student, this is horizontal plane. This is the height of observer, and the angle formed by the object which is situated at A is this angle, and this is the line makes the angle of the object with the eye of observer. So this is the line of sight. Okay. Now students, angle of elevation. The angle formed at eye of the line by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal line level is called angle of elevation. So in this figure, student, you can see object is situated at C and this is horizontal plane, means level of earth, and the observer want to see the object which is situated at C. Suppose BC is building, so C is the top of the building and the observer want to see the top of the building from the point A. So this is the line of sight. So angle made by line of sight with the horizontal plane is theta. So this theta is the angle of elevation. Students, when we want to see the object above, so students, we have to raise the eyes towards above direction. Then the angle made by our eye is the angle of elevation. Okay students. Now angle of depression. The angle formed at eye by the line of sight with parallel to the horizontal when the observer sees an object situated in downward direction is called angle of depression. Students, this is the plane, horizontal plane or horizontal line, and this is the top of the building. Suppose observer is at the top of the building, okay, and the observer want to see the car which is at horizontal plane, then the angle made by the eye of observer with line of sight is the angle of depression. So student, this angle is the angle of depression. This line is parallel to the horizontal and this is the line of sight. So angle between the line which is parallel to the horizontal and the line of sight is called angle of depression. Okay, so theta is the angle of depression, but this angle is not the angle of depression, students. Okay, the angle should be formed with the line which is parallel to the horizontal. Always remember. Okay. Now students, some points you have to remember to draw the diagram. Suppose you want to draw building, summit of mountain, tower, tree, pillar, pedestal, statue, lighthouse, height you have to show. Then all these figures, all these things will be shown by a vertical line, okay, which makes an angle of 90 degree with the horizontal line. Now students, if you want to draw road, river, distance, highway, then we have to draw them by a horizontal line, because road it is horizontal, river also, distance, highway. Okay, suppose you want to show rope, string, ladder, so one line means by line of sight or by inclined plane we have to show them in diagram. Now let us solve one question. A vertical pole stand on a horizontal plane from a point on the ground 24 meter away from the foot of the pole. The angle of elevation of its top found to be 30 degree. Find the height of the pole. So student, first of all we have to draw the diagram. Vertical pole means vertical line. This line BC shows the height of the pole, and there is a point on the ground A. This is the point of observation, and angle CAB is given to us, angle of elevation 30 degree. Okay, observer want to see the top of the pole, so this angle is angle of elevation 30 degree. Distance is given between pole and point of observation 24 meter. So student, you can see in triangle ABC all information we have to write. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle A is 30 degree and angle B is 90 degree. So you know we can use trigonometric ratio in right angle triangle. So perpendicular, the question asking about the perpendicular, base is given. So we can use P upon B, and we know that tan theta equals to P upon B. So we can write tan A equals to H upon 24. A value is 30 degree. So tan 30 equals to H upon 24. Tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equals to H upon 24 by cross multiplication. Root 3 H equals to 24. H equals to 24 upon root 3. Let us rationalize the denominator. So we have to multiply by root 3. So 24 root 3 upon 3, 8 root 3 meter. So height of pole is 8 root 3 meter. Okay students.